A while back that you could put walnut juice on the ground out of like hulled walnuts and walnut hulls, and so I'm going to do this. I got been working on the walnuts this morning, and so we're going to shower these down, let this water go in the ground, and see what happens. I know it will actually work because I've done this before, but I don't know with what success we'll have here because the ground's been kind of dry and there may not be many worms here. So we can have to see how this works out. As a rule, it will actually work if you got worms around, but of course you don't. Naturally they can bring them over there. But, at this point I don't see any worms coming up. But then again, we don't have much water going on here either. And, so we'll try it again over here a little bit, make sure we get plenty of water. The reason I got these gloves on is I've already got a mess on my hands from working on walnuts today. I had these gloves on, just flimsy things. They won't stand up to nothing hardly. But anyway, we'll see what goes on here. I might have to move the operation a little bit. It's not working here. And there's one. He's trying to come up, but it ain't bothering that much. No, it's not really that irritating to him, I guess. But we'll keep on. There's one. Here. Yeah, there's one. Let's get back here. Come here, boy. There you go. Yeah. Might get a chance to do a little fishing sometime here if we get enough worms. We'll have to get more than this, though. Yeah, maybe these are not very high-powered walnut hulls. It definitely does work. They'll come out. Here comes one here. There comes one more. Yeah, if you get grass a little long, might be hard to see it coming out here, but they're not really coming out that fervently right at the moment. Move it back over here again. Probably if I pour them walnut hulls out of the ground. Oh, here, look at here. We got a big old night crawler coming out here now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, had to get a little bit moisture going on in there. I heard one guy say that you could put walnut hulls in the creek and it'd cause the fish to get kind of paralyzed or something, but I suppose that's against the law. Here's one. Oh, come on here. Oh, here, come on. That's a real big one. Yeah, not doing too bad. Guess I got a little impatient. Thought maybe this should come out the first minute I turned the water on. Then again, there may not be that many in here. So I don't know. Maybe we'll move this operation a little farther over. I hope you still see that, because I don't know where the camera's aiming at really. This kind of camera don't have one of them forward-facing screens where you can see what you're doing. Just kind of guesswork on that. Let's see here. That may have been about all the harness here. There's a little falling out of there. This little I couldn't get one hook. What is that one? Turn around a little bit. Yeah, let me see if I can try something just a little different here. See what happens with this ordeal now. We got a full buck. Oh, wait a minute, one of them big ones. I got to catch him first. Get down here. Get on down here. There. Yeah. Okay. Try to run a little water off the top of these. Here, there's a bunch of walnut hulls in here. Get some water floating over the edge. It'll be good and strong. But the point is, it does actually work. And of course, it ain't all year long if you got walnut hulls up. So we have to, I guess, here's one here, Bill. Let him get away from us here. Get out of here. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. You see, if you let them relax, you can pull them out without breaking them. That's how them robins do it. They watch them to relax with it and you yank them. You probably knew that already. Damn. Yeah, let's see what we got here. See some of this stuff run out. I want to wait all day on that. That's some really rich looking stuff there. If I don't bring them out, it's not going to come out like that. Put these back. See what we got here. Yeah, anything coming out. Yeah. There. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, I could use these. You know, these walnut holes are just full of maggots. But that's part of the breakdown system on them to where the hulls come off easier. Wait a minute, here's a nice worm over here. Yeah, here he comes. Look, get out of there. Come on. There, whoops, shit. Broke that one. I didn't do it right. There he is. Yeah. There. Yeah, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know it sounds like I huff and puff a lot, but I fooled around smoked so many years. I gave myself a COPD, and it's nobody's fault my own, I know that, but just have to tolerate it. Okay, here's a worm here, come here. And here's one here taking off. Yeah, let's see here. What else we got here? Yeah. Anyway, this definitely works to get them worms to come up out of there. One here too. Oh, come here, you little devil. Come here. There. It's kind of small, but it'll work. Oh, yeah. Okie dokie. Well, that's probably enough to give you an idea that it does, in fact, work. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see in here or not. Might be too much of a close-up lens, but we got some pretty good ones in there. All right. Well, I'm going to turn this water off and go to the house.